Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI, and right now I am wearing what are hands down my favorite pair of sunglasses that I have ever owned. So check out these ones made by SojoS. These particular ones are the oversized vintage style. So I love how big they are. It's very flattering for my face. I think it could be flattering for different types of face shapes. It's also got the black on black style for the frames and the lenses, which I think is very classic looking. So these do an amazing job of blocking out the sun. I especially notice this when I'm driving to work in the morning and the sun is shining directly in my face. Now, one thing that really makes these glasses stand out for me is the fact that they actually stay put on my face. So because I have a flatter nose, most glasses tend to slide down, but somehow these ones just don't do that. So I'm really happy with these glasses. These are my go-tos from now on. They're the first pair that I bought from this company, but they definitely won't be the last. So I definitely recommend them, and that is my point of view.